So I've currently had an issue with wind noise on my GoPro microphones as I'm riding my bike. It's kind of hard to hear what I'm saying as the wind noise is starting to drown out everything else. So I'll come up with a pretty cheap fix for it. Now all you're going to need is some sticky back Velcro. You can get this at a local craft store, Walmart, Target, pretty much anywhere that sells arts and crafts supplies. And a razor blade to cut. So this is my GoPro case. It's an aluminum cut case. I just keep this around the outside of it, and it is a GoPro 5, but I still like to have that little bit more protection than what you would normally get with just the case by itself. This is actually the mechanism that helps keep it in, but as I'm riding also it tends to flap around, and you gotta hear that feedback while you're riding, and it's a bit annoying. So first step is to remove this. Don't need that anymore. There is a sticky back on the inside of it. Don't need that. All you need now is to measure this up. Just be careful whenever you're cutting this stuff, especially with a razor knife. Once that cut, you need to punch a hole in it. Now you could just use a standard hole punch, or you could use a hole punch that you would use for leather. There you go. See, there's a nice little hole in there, and that hole will actually allow the microphone to pick up through it, but the Velcro on the exterior will help muffle a lot of that that noise that you would get on the road. Application is pretty simple. Because all you really need to do is peel and stick. But while I have it out here, I'm going to trim off these edges just to clean it up just a little bit. Because the razor knife is not exact. You're always going to have a little bit of fraying on the edges. Now if you can just peel it. And see if you can get the hole lined up right there. And that's one of the 3 microphones that is on the GoPro 5. Thanks for watching.